We'll guide you through how to fix your Wi-Fi frequently disconnecting in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, come to the bottom of your computer and click on the search button and type in Control Panel, just like so, and open it up. In your Control Panel, click on Network and Internet, and then go and click on Network and Sharing Center. On this page, head over to the left and click on Change Adapter Settings, and we'll get this pop up here. And you need to right click on your Wi-Fi adapter. In this case, it's this one here for me. Right click on it, and then what you need to do is go into Properties. In Properties, what you need to do is go and click on Configure. And let me drag it in for you guys. You then need to go and click on Power Management, and you need to make sure you allow the computer to turn off this device, because otherwise your computer may be turning it off, which is why you're then disconnecting from the Wi-Fi. Then go and press OK like that, and go and see if your problem is fixed. For the next fix, you need to go and open up your settings. So go to the bottom of your computer and click on the Windows Start button and click on Settings. Head over to the left and click on Network and Internet. Scroll down like this and click on Advanced Network Settings. And then what you want to do is go into More Settings and click on Network Reset. And this will reset all your network adapters to factory settings. So click here, and it says this will remove and reinstall all of your network drivers and set other networking components back to their original settings. So it's a good idea to do this if you're having problems with it. So click on Reset Now and press Yes, and your computer will need to go and restart to go and do this. So I'm going to go and click on Close like this, and then wait for it to go and restart. And that should hopefully stop your Wi-Fi from frequently disconnecting. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.